Now it's time to try this bidet thing. It's the most technically advanced toilet I've ever seen. Well, it's got seat warmers. Ooh. Oh man. Oh man. Oh Lord. Eric and I are headed off to breakfast now. We're gonna go to some cave today, so should be interesting. He swag socks and sandals.
Oh, sweet.
This whole area. This is Andrew.
Hi.
What are your expectations?
It's okay. Good expectations.
It's okay or it's okay? Well, it sucks to go down, but at least we don't have to climb up because it's so steep. How you feeling, Grace?
No, it's scary. It's a scary place.
If you do bad in high school or middle school, they take you down here and they tell you that's what you're gonna be if you don't go to college. Just kidding. Everyone stops to look at this thing, which is quite literally the penis stuff. Okay, I just touched it by accident. Great. Lunchtime. This keeps coming. Oh my god. Groggy. Just took a long nap. Apparently, we're at the train pension to bike for a while, I think. Oh my god, dude, this stuff is so good.
This is what you guys got?
Yeah. You won't be disappointed.
Alright.
It's so good.
Eating ice cream. Am I artsy yet? That's gonna be us soon.
So we're racing. No, we can't race.
Oh my god.
Man, look at all these bikes. Oh my god. I don't think that's possible because, like, dude, that's like 4 grown adult humans.
Yeah, but they're gonna be pedaling too.
But I thought you He's like, aww.
This is really calm. It's not hardcore at all. I feel like we're in Pokemon Snap. We're on a train thing and just gotta take pictures and throw Pokeballs at people.
Uses for these actually, they're really useful.
Oh.
Hey, it's Moon.
Thanks for the picture taking and
Do it again.
getting the signal? Getting the signal? Okay. Take a picture.
네, 한 개 해주세요.
모든 거 드릴까?
Yep, bite the whole. Yes.
Yeah, damn.
맛있어.